This week, crews begin work on Big Bend. It could be problematic for tens of thousands of drivers. The work is taking place on a 3-mile stretch between Manchester and Delmar, and that means lane closures. News 4's Paige Halsey joins us live with a preview of the work.
Well, right now, cones like this one line parts of Big Bend. On the south side, Missouri American Water is working to replace water mains that are more than 100 years old. But take a look, it's cracked curbs like that and busted up sidewalks like this one here. That's really going to keep St. Louis County's Department of Transportation so busy for the next year and a half. For many, it's unavoidable.
Big Bend's kind of the quickest way to get to work.
Some 36,000 drivers take Big Bend each weekday.
It's a very heavily traveled road.
And the wear shows.
They're very bumpy. There's a lot of potholes. Typically, I try to stay over to the left because the right side is really bad.
But soon, all this patchwork will get a makeover.
By 2020, they're going to have new pavement. The deficient sidewalk panels that you see will be new concrete. The crumbling curbs will be new curbs. And the wheelchair accessible ramps, there'll be dozens of those, if not hundreds. It'll be basically an entirely new road.
Some businesses are already seeing work start from their front window.
Concrete, sundaes, shakes, malts, floats.
What should be Mr. Wizard's busy season will now coincide with construction season.
We're still open, right? So, I mean, it's a little better in the evening. It's not as compacted through traffic, but we're still here.
Getting anywhere along this route could be a headache with intermittent lane closures. And without a great detour option, crews are asking drivers to bear with them.
The road itself is going to be infinitely better than it is right now. It's just a matter of patience on the part of motorists. We understand that there's going to be frustration and inconvenience.
That repaving will be the final piece of the project, expected to be complete by the fall of 2020. Okay, so during all that road work, before any of this gets repaved, that's when Missouri American Water is working to replace those pipes that are dating back to 1912. That means that homes living near those mains could lose water for a couple hours during that work when it gets real close to their house, but those homeowners should be notified ahead of time. We're live along Big Bend. Paige Halsey, News 4.